Learning to speak German fluently takes time and practice, but there are several strategies you can use to speed up the process. Here are some tips to help you learn German more quickly. Immerse yourself in German, surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Watch German movies and TV shows, listen to German music and podcasts, and try to incorporate German into your daily life. This exposure will help you become familiar with the sounds, rhythm, and vocabulary of the language. Take intensive courses. Consider enrolling in an intensive language course that focuses specifically on German. These courses often provide a structured curriculum and immersive environment, allowing you to progress more rapidly. Look for courses that offer plenty of speaking and listening practice. Practice speaking every day. Regular practice is essential for improving your speaking skills. Find a language partner or join a conversation group where you can practice speaking German. There are also language exchange websites and apps that can help you connect with native German speakers who want to practice your language in exchange. Learn useful vocabulary and phrases. Focus on learning commonly used vocabulary and phrases that will be immediately useful in everyday conversations. This way, you can start using the language more quickly and gain confidence in your speaking abilities. Use language learning apps and websites. There are numerous language learning apps and websites available that offer interactive exercises, vocabulary drills, and grammar lessons. Some popular options include Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise. These tools can supplement your learning and provide additional practice opportunities. Practice listening comprehension. Listening to spoken German is crucial for developing your comprehension skills. Find German podcasts, audiobooks, or YouTube channels to listen to regularly. Start with simpler content and gradually challenge yourself with more complex materials. Learn grammar and sentence structures. Understanding German grammar rules and sentence structures will help you construct sentences more accurately. Take the time to study and practice grammar concepts, such as verb conjugations, noun declensions, and word order. Use grammar exercises and resources to reinforce your understanding. Utilize flashcards and mnemonic devices. Create flashcards to memorize vocabulary, verb conjugations, and other important German elements. Additionally, mnemonic devices can help you remember tricky grammar rules or irregular verbs. Visit German-speaking countries or attend language exchanges. Immersing yourself in a German-speaking environment is a fantastic way to improve your language skills rapidly. Consider traveling to Germany, Austria, or Switzerland if possible. Alternatively, you can join language exchanges or cultural events in your local area where you can interact with native German speakers. Be consistent and persistent. Learning a language takes time and dedication. Make a study schedule and stick to it. Consistent practice, even in small amounts each day, will yield better results than sporadic studying. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the learning process. The key is to practice regularly and immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Good luck! If you found this video helpful and enjoyed our tips for learning German quickly, Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who are on the language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and we're excited to have you as part of our language learning community. Keep up the great work, stay motivated, and soon you'll be speaking German with confidence.